Hi, this is Teacher Nancy from Literacy Pittsburgh. How are you? I'm good, thanks. This video is for Teacher Nancy, Teacher Monica, and Teacher Holly's class. This video is for our story. Our story is Washing Dishes, Part 2. Washing Dishes, Part 2. This is our story. This is our story. Let's talk about questions. Let's talk about questions. Let's talk about question words. Question words. Who? 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 People or one person. Who? Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? Who? Question word. Where? 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 Place. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where? Question. What? 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 Things. What is your name? What is he doing? What? Why? 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 Because. Why are you watching YouTube? Why are you watching YouTube? Why? When? 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 Time. When is your English class? When is your English class? And when is after and before? When, after, and before. When. Today, I ask questions about the story. Think about the question word. Listen to the question. Think about the question word. Answer the question. Are you ready? Look at the picture. Question. What is his name? What is his name? His name is Don. Question: what is his job? What is his job? He is a dishwasher. What is his name? What is his job? Look at the picture. Question: where? Where is Don putting dirty glasses? Where is Don putting dirty glasses? Don is putting dirty glasses in the dishwasher. Don is putting dirty glasses in the dishwasher. Look at the picture. Question: why? Why is Don putting silverware in the dishwasher? Why? Why is Don putting silverware in the dishwasher? Because the silverware is dirty. Because the silverware is dirty. Look at the picture. Question: where? Where is Don washing pots and pans? Where is Don washing pots and pans? Where is Don washing pots and pans? Don is washing pots and pans in the sink. Don is washing pots and pans in the sink. Look at the picture. Question: what? What is Don drying? What is Don drying? Don is drying clean pans. Don is drying clean pans. Look at the picture. Question: when? 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 Before, after. When is Dawn taking dishes out of the dishwasher? When is Dawn taking dishes out of the dishwasher? When is Dawn taking dishes out of the dishwasher? Tell me about after. Tell me about after. When is Dawn taking dishes out of the dishwasher? Dawn is taking dishes out of the dishwasher after he is drying clean pans. Dawn is taking dishes out of the dishwasher after he is drying clean pans. Look at the picture. Question: what? What is Dawn carrying? What is Dawn carrying? Dawn is carrying clean dishes. Dawn is carrying clean dishes. Look at the pictures. Look at the picture. Question: when is Dawn emptying the garbage? When is Dawn emptying the garbage? Tell me about after. Tell me about after. When is Dawn emptying the garbage? Dawn is emptying the garbage after he is putting away clean dishes. Dawn is emptying the garbage after he is putting away clean dishes? Look at the picture. Question again. When? Tell me about before. Before. When is Dawn emptying the garbage? When is Dawn emptying the garbage before? Dawn is emptying the garbage before he is taking out the garbage. Dawn is emptying the garbage before he is taking out the garbage. Emptying, next, taking out. Question, when? Tell me before. Before. When is Dawn taking out the garbage? When is Dawn taking out the garbage? When is Dawn taking out the garbage? Dawn is taking out the garbage before he is punching out. Dawn is taking out the garbage before he is punching out. Taking out the garbage, next, punching out. Okay, look at the picture. Question, why? Why is Dawn punching out? Why is Dawn punching out? Why is Dawn punching out? Because work is finished. Why is Dawn punching out? Because work is finished. Okay, good job. We are finished talking about our story and questions. We will talk about questions again in Zoom English class. Thanks. Have a nice day. See you in Zoom English class.